Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best tattoo machine review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Dragonhawk Batpen Tattoo Machine. The Dragonhawk Batpen Tattoo Machine has frame made of standard aluminium alloy and CNC carved. Minimum stroke length 2.4 mm and maximum strokes length 4.2 mm. Weight 201 gram. Length 11.6 cm. Assembly by hand, effortless to cover and protect. The Batpen used with custom Coil's motor, 8V 6500 RPM. This special motor does not require maintenance. Smooth speed change, almost no vibration. This tattoo machine can use 1700 mAh battery and working time 6 hours depending on personal usage, and it can be fully charged in about 2.5 hours. This tattoo machine visible LED screen, it can show double-click the power button to switch the display of voltage, working time, and remaining power. Number 4. Mast WQ102 Tattoo Machine. The Mast rotary tattoo pen machine made of space aluminum frame, stroke 3.5 mm, length 11.7 cm, weight 120 gram. Emulating the grip and feel of an actual pen, this machine allows for more comfortable and precise tattooing procedures than traditional machines. This Mast tattoo machine features a powerful custom motor 9V 10,000 RPM and an advanced gear system that guarantees reliable, quiet operation without any vibration. This tattoo machine increasing storage, absorbing faster, injection average, special silicone rebound membrane, lowest in solder, innovate medical PC material connect needles, popular cartridges all over world tattoo artists. This tattoo machine provide portable mini LCD power. It can work without pedal, saving time and effort, perfect for permanent makeup work. Number 3. Tattoo and Complete Tattoo Kit. This tattoo kit includes power supply, tattoo ink, tattoo needles, ink caps, clip cord, foot pedal, etc. A complete professional tattoo kit is a good choice for beginners. This tattoo set have 2 tattoo machines, 4 lining, and coloring, allowing you to work a long time without tired hands, suitable for all kinds of tattoo needles and handles, easy to use. This tattoo kit can provide efficient and stable energy to the tattoo machine, standard voltage setting, accurate voltage regulation. It has strong power and stable performance. This tattoo power supply's digital LED screen display makes readings more accurate. Improve your machine reliability and efficiency with smooth consistent power output from the power box. It also high performance tattoo kit, make easy tattooing, great for practice. Number 2. Mini Rocket Wireless Tattoo Machine. This tattoo machine frame made aluminum high hardness and CNC carving process. Small and light in appearance, it provide comfortable operating experience. Scientific weight, ergonomic design. Weight 115 gram, stroke 3.6 mm. The wireless tattoo machine used with custom Coil's motor, 12V 10,000 RPM. This special motor does not require maintenance. Smooth speed change, almost no vibration. This tattoo machine built in large capacity 1200 mAh battery, working time 8 hour, Type-C quick charge, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, temperature control and more. This rocket rotary tattoo pen is designed to give you the next feel to an actual pen that you can receive with a tattoo machine. You can do this permanent eyebrow makeup, lips line, eyeline, etc. Number 1. Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Machine. This Ambition rotary battery tattoo pen machine made of aluminium alloy frame and CNC carved. Length 148 mm, stroke 4 mm, weight 210 gram, detachable. As a whole, easy to disassemble, maintain, and replace spare parts. This Soldier tattoo machine built in 1950 mAh large capacity battery. It can support 8 hours work time and only need 2 hours to fully charge. More importantly, the battery can be replaced at any time. This tattoo machine built in Japan. Coil's motor, 10-volt 9000 RPM, more powerful, low skin loss, fast coloring, no hot for long time working. The top of the battery has a visible LCD display, which can clearly display the working voltage, charging, and remaining power. This machine is perfect for fine or bold lines, realistic color, new school, and old school style, compatible with major brand cartridge needles, flexible and lightweight for every style, gently and smoothly transfers ink to skin, suitable for all skin types.